Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a nail addict haul. So they were kind enough to send me these gel polishes, and I'm going to get right into them and swatch them because they look so pretty. So I love this. Any Game of Thrones fans, winter is coming. I just love that. So creamy. I had way too much on my brush. This is definitely a one coat coverage here because, wow. Look at that bad boy. I love that this is, I know it probably looks blue, but I love that this is like a dusty blue purple. Kind of like one of those colors that you can't tell what color it is. It looks blue, it looks purple. This is pretty. Next is In the Woods. This looks like, yeah, this kind of reminds me of like a mauve-y type brown, but a little bit lighter. I have a mauve-y brown that's like a dark mauve-y brown, but this one is, oh, I have an idea. Yeah, this is super pretty. I would do 2 coats on this one because there's just a smidge of shadowing. Just a smidge. You can see kind of right where you put the brush down, but it goes away. So this is In the Woods. Again, that mauve-y purple brown. I think this is awesome for wintertime if you want a darker color, but not like dark, you know? Next is Her Armor. And this looks like a really pretty one. Yes, this gray, I'm here for it. Can we take a moment for this gray? It's the perfect grayish, you know? I'm obsessed. The Narrow Sea, and this one, yeah, it's like your kind of tealy blue color. I do recommend 2 coats with this one as well. Now this is a stunning color, the Narrow Sea. Next up is Weirwood Trees. I think I said that right. Weirwood. This is a brownie tan color, so for me, this would be a darker color on me because, you know, I am pasty. But this would look really good, I think, on darker skin tones as a really pretty nude. I'm gonna go with this is Weirwood. Maybe I'm wrong. Y'all can tell me if I'm wrong or not. Last but not least, we have Misty. Yeah, this is exactly kind of what I expected. So instead of like a milky white, it's kind of like a milky cream. Or maybe just cream. Is that just, I mean, I guess that's just a color, but it just seems like, I want to say milky. Even though it probably doesn't need milky in the name, I just want to say milky. I would recommend 2 colors. There's slight, very slight shadowing, which you're not going to be able to see. And this is Misty, such a creamy color. All right, here are the beautiful colors, and if you have been with me, you guys know I love to technical difficulties, but I'm gonna leave this in because this is real life. I love them in matte. Actually, I think this specific collection, I like them in matte the best. It just looks so velvety and soft, and I'm just here for it. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.